Hello. So recently I have joined for my master's degree MSc Cyber Forensic and Information Security in Madras University on distance mode. So some of you already inquired me that how's your classes going or what's the admission procedure and all. So in this video I'm going to clear all of your doubts, and if you have more doubts you can comment down below. I'll make you another video. So let's go. Okay. So yeah, I applied by online through online portal. I submitted all my documents, and after that, I paid my first year fees. That is 13,400 something like that. 13 plus 13K plus. And after payment, I took the copy of challan and admission letter copy, and also copy of intimation letter, three intimation letter copy. And also I took all copy of my original documents, SSLC plus 1 plus 2 degree mark sheet, degree original and everything. One second. Okay. After that, I sent it to university by courier along with my original Aadhaar card and also my passport size photo. And I sent all documents by courier to university for the verification purpose. After verification, I got my original documents back along with the sealed copy of intimation letter, and also I got my ID card. There is some twist at the end, just wait till end. And after a few days, I received my textbook by courier itself. Actually, I'm from Kerala, that's why I received everything by courier itself. If you're from Chennai or if you're from Tamil Nadu, you have to directly visit the university to get your ID card and also your textbooks. Okay, so I joined for calendar year batch. There will be two opening, one for calendar year and second one for academic year. I joined for calendar year, that is from January 2024 to December 2025, and that batch is already closed. Admission is already closed. Now you can join for academic year, which will open in May or June. You can get all the updates from the university website itself. And yeah, after getting admission, you will have the intimation class, which gives you a brief introduction about your course and also about the university. And your teacher or your academic counselor will add you into a WhatsApp group which contain all the students of your batch. And yeah, you can get the update from that itself, or you have to check your website daily for updates like examination or fees payment or any class related query. You have to check your website regularly. Okay, now yeah, I met 100 plus students in my batch. It's yeah, great. Classes is, it's a distance mode now, so we have to study self and we will only have 1 or 2 weeks classes. And for examination you have to visit Tamil Nadu or Chennai. There will be no center in Kerala, so you have to visit Chennai for examination. And also for practical classes you have to visit university directly. There will be no online class for practicals, and other theory classes will conducted by online itself. Okay, so the twist is that my degree is not eligible for this course. My UG degree was is in DevOps software development, which is not eligible. So before applying, you have to check the eligibility whether your course is eligible or not. But I have already submitted the fees, and I have already submitted my documents also. So when I connected to the university, they told me to wait for 1 month for verification from the board side. They send my documents to the university board for verification. And I have waited 1 more month to get the updation from the university side. After 1 month, I got a call from university. They told me that I got admission, so you can join this course. Yeah, I'm so happy. After a few days, I received the intimation copy along with an ID card, but that's the another twist. I received ID card of another students from MSc Psychology. Oof. Then I again called to the university. They told me to send ID card back to them and they will send you the new ID card. But I think that is too, that will make me more worried, but also it will take some time, right? So I tried to connect to that girl in the ID card by social media. I connected with her and I that girl through social media, and we met at Calicut and we exchanged our ID card. That's the second twist. And the final one, I got the admission confirmation call. I got the intimation sealed copy. I got my ID card. Still, I didn't receive any textbook. I again called to the university and they told me that they will not send textbook by courier. You have to visit a university directly for your textbook. I got frustrated very much. And I asked them, I told them that they already told me that they will send the textbook by courier itself. Now they are saying that I have to visit Chennai to collect my textbook. At the same time, I'm on the call. I received my textbook by courier itself. While still on call, I received the textbook at my door. What a university are. It's okay, everything fine because it's a government university, or also it's distance mode, so there will be some challenges happening. I can understand their situation also. So leave that thing. Okay. But the course is good. Your syllabus is also good. It's on distance mode. And also the fees, it's very, very suitable for all students because other PG courses like MSc or MCA or even cybersecurity courses, which cost more than 25,000 per semester, or at least 15,000 per semester. But in this course, we they only charge 13 or 11,000 per year. So total, for total 2 years, it's only cost 25,000. So it's really worth. It's really affordable. Fees, or the syllabus, or the course, or the class timing, everything is suitable and very good for you. Okay, so if you are interested to join to this degree, you can get admission in the academic year. That means the next admission will open in this May or June. So try to check the university website regularly, and you will get all details. Okay, I'm not sure how much you understood from what I'm saying. Hmm. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ping me in the WhatsApp or Instagram or LinkedIn or anything. Yes, that's all. Bye. Have a nice day.